Quality wiper blades are vital for your safety. They keep your windscreen clear so you can see potential hazards and react quickly to avoid them. Wiper blades should be replaced when they leave streaks on the windscreen, when they jump or judder noisily, or when they leave smears across the glass. Alternatively, you can check the blades by looking at the rubber. If you see the rubber separating from the wiper or cracks in the rubber, then it's time to replace the wiper blades. To replace the wiper blades, simply lift the wiper up, pop open the tab with your finger and slide the blade out. Carefully lay the wiper arm back down on the windscreen to avoid damaging the glass. Take the new blade, making sure the tab is out. Lift the wiper arm up and insert it into the blade. Then pull until it snaps. Push the tab in and lay the wiper back onto the windscreen. Some types of wiper blade have an integrated wear indicator. To see it, peel off the protective plastic tab. As the wiper blade wears out, the dark blue box will gradually fade to white. This means a new blade is needed. Toyota genuine wiper blades are designed and manufactured to the highest standards using premium quality rubber. Silent and long-lasting, they are custom-made specifically for your windscreen in order to have the best possible contact. To ensure this, Toyota engineers test the blades on the windscreens for each model. You can count on quality, performance, and value with this genuine product. If you're not sure about changing the wiper blades yourself, visit your Toyota authorized repairer, who will be happy to quickly perform a safety check. For all your maintenance needs, you will receive expert assistance and the best possible care for your Toyota, ensuring that your driving experience remains safe and pleasurable.